Struggling to find the apps you love on your Android device? Let's fix that. First, ensure your Play Store app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then go to Settings, About, and finally, Play Store version. If an update is available, it will prompt you to download it. Next, let's clear the cache and data for the Google Play Store. Go back to your phone's main settings, find Apps or Application Manager. Locate Google Play Store, and then tap Storage. Select Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your installed apps. Now, do the same for Google Play Services. In your phone settings, under Apps, find Google Play Services, tap Storage, then Clear Cache, and then Manage Storage or Manage Space. Tap Clear All Data. A weak or unstable internet connection can also cause issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router. If you're on Wi-Fi, it's also a good idea to restart your entire phone. If none of these steps work, check your phone's date and time settings. Ensure they are set to automatic. Incorrect date and time can sometimes interfere with Play Store functionality. We'll find this option under System or General Management in your phone settings. And there you have it. Following these steps should help you see all your apps and discover new ones in the Google Play Store again.